nagbuwatan eh.
Oh.
Mabuhay! I'm Marlisa Larry Asar Machas and get ready with me as an HM student. If you can all see, it's just my bare face with no makeup, no hairdo, and no earrings. And in the process of getting ready with me, I would share to you the four components of the hospitality management. But first, hospitality management is not only for those who can cook, because many students like me has a weaknesses in the course that would be the cooking. And said by our seniors, the cooking and taste of my food will be practice and master. That is why I should and I would and I will survive in this course. So be with me in the process of my journey. So what are you waiting for? Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. We have the four components of the hospitality management. First would be the food and beverage. All service that provides food and drinks to customers from restaurants and bars to room service and catering. The F&B department is in charge. Next would be the housekeeping. Maintain clean, safe, and welcoming in various environments such as hotels, office, or private residence, directly impacting guest satisfaction and hotel's reputation, brand image, and overall operation efficiency. Front office.
Good morning. Welcome to the Transnational Hotel.
The nerve center or the face of the hotel in hospitality management, as it is the department with which guests have their first and last interaction. Hello, good afternoon. Oh, meeting. I'm in the middle of my get ready with me. Can you please give me a minute? Okay, thank you for your considerations. Thank you. Okay, guys, let's be quick because I have meeting to attend to. And lastly, it could be the bar operation.
Yeah. Uh huh. Whoa. Whoa.
The comprehensive process of managing an establishment or specific area within a hotel, cruise ship, or event venue that sells and serve alcohol and non-alcoholic beverage. Also give guests recreational and entertainment.
Itili pangalan ko gabi-gabi. Mga bumababoy sa laro kinarne. QC parang Vice City. Sabi na
And a simple touch of my glasses, and I'm done. Please don't mind the background. And this is my look, and this is my outfit. Oh, another call. Okay, bye. We have our representative meeting. Responsibilities. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching and come again.